in Azam City. You're watching One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with information, news, sports, and public affairs. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with love. Ang telebisyong pangmasa. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. One TV special report.
To the three pillars of Misamis Occidental, our Honorable Governor, the Working Governor, Honorable Attorney Henry S. Huminal, to our representative from the 2nd District, Honorable Sancho Fernando Ando Aminal, and of course our representative from the Ascenso Pinoy Party List, Honorable Attorney Henry Indy F. Huminal. On behalf of the local government unit of Ozamis City, allow me to read what our local chief executive, the Honorable Mayor, Attorney Sam Norman Fuentes, has prepared for us this morning. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, esteemed officials of the National Chess Federation of the Philippines, our participants, coaches, and supporters, good morning and welcome to Ozamis City. It is with great pride and honor that we host the national eliminations for the 46th World Chess Olympiad, Mindanao Leg, here in our beloved city. This gathering brings together some of the brightest minds and most talented chess players of our region. Men and women whose discipline, skill, and passion for the game embody the very spirit of excellence. As we welcome each of you to this historic venue, the Ozamis City Gymnasium, allow me to extend the full support of our local government. This event reflects not only our city's commitment to sports and intellectual pursuits, but also our dedication to nurturing opportunities that inspire discipline, strategy, and resilience among our youth and athletes. Chess, more than a game, is a test of patience, foresight, and determination. These are also the very values that guide our Ascenso brand of service, a vision where every Misamisnon may live in peace, prosperity, and happiness. In the same way that every move in chess is purposeful, so too must we build a future that is guided by wisdom, fairness, and unity. To our players, may this tournament sharpen your minds, strengthen your character, and bring out your best moves on and off the board. Play with honor, respect your opponents, and let your performance be a reflection of the true spirit of Mindanaoan excellence. On behalf of the people of Ozamis, I thank the National Chess Federation of the Philippines, especially Executive Director Grandmaster Jason Gonzalez, for entrusting us with this prestigious event. We are proud to be part of this journey towards the World Chess Olympiad in Uzbekistan. Welcome to Ozamis City. Welcome to a community that celebrates talent, discipline, and unity. And to all our players, may you find not only victory, but also lasting friendships and unforgettable experiences in this tournament. Maasenso, umaga sa lahat. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, attorney, for delivering the heartfelt message of our beloved city mayor. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Attorney Francisco Solite III. At this point, we shall hear a message from one of the most respected figures in Philippine chess. He is not only a grandmaster, but also a mentor and a leader who has worked tirelessly for the growth of chess in our country. Let us all welcome the Executive Director of National Chess Federation of the Philippines, Grandmaster Jason Gonzalez.
Good morning po. Salamat po sa introduction at sa mga dumalo po ngayon sa araw na to. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat, lalo po sa ating mga magulang, coaches, at ang ating host for this event, ang ating butihing Governor Henry S. Omniman Senior. So, at maraming pong salamat sa ating pong mga kasama sa ating harapan, si Sir Engineer Urbis Tondo, as Attorney Solita, Third, at ating pong kasama kahapon, si Sir Stephen Serial, sa pag-prepare po para sa darating na tournament sa next month sa ASEAN Plus. Gusto ko pong magkwento at ganun din po ma-encourage at magpasalamat sa lahat na po dumalo dito. Yung mga dumalo po dito ay masabi natin they want growth, no? Kasi ito pong tournament na to ay meron kayong tinatahak na parang direksyon sa inyong chess na inyong tinatahak ngayon. Kasi po itong ating ginagawa ngayon na qualification Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, it means to say you are serious about growing as a player. At marami mo nakita ngayon, mga bata ngayon, kayo ang papalit sa mga national player ngayon. Ito po ang isang way na kayo maging membro ng national team pag kayo nagiging member ng Olympiad. And tapos na po yung aking panahon dyan, nakapaglaro pa ako sa bansa. I played 3 to 4 times in Olympiad as a player. And hopefully, kayo po yung sumunod na yan. Ngayon po, napili nyo salihan po to kasi ang kayo naniniwalang kayo ay gagaling at papasok. Kasi minsan yung mga player kahit alam nilang susumali, hindi nila patanto na sila ay kaya pa. So sometimes people or players will defer yung kailang pagsali. But yung mga nandito naniniwala na kayo papasok, kayo naniniwala kung hindi kayo papasok, you have learned something because your experience is the best teacher. Iyan ang great lesson na inyong makukuha. Ibig sabihin yan, you're looking forward for the next years to come. Yun po ang inyong purpose kung bakit kayo nandito. Yun din po ang objective at mission ng ating governor kung bakit siya po nag-host ng gantong paligsahan. Looking forward for the next years. Hindi po tayo short term. We're looking forward. Lahat po ng plano, lahat po ng ating hadikain na mataas ay palaging pinaplano at pinaghahandaan ng maraming taon. Kailangan nyo mag-invest, kailangan nyo magsakripisyo nung makamit nyo yung tinatawag na success sa buhay. At sinisimulan nyo ngayon, journey nyo ngayon sa araw na to. So we are so thankful and grateful for your participation, especially yung ating mga magulang. Kailang in-encourage, dinala po yung mga bata dito para sumali, pati yung mga coaches nila, because they think this is the best tournament for this day. Because this is the day that you will going to make your journey towards greatness. Yun po yung ating ginagawa ngayon at ito po ang ating ginawa. Binabalik po natin muli ang Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao qualification dahil po dumaan ang pandemic, nahihirapan po tayo. Ngayon, binabalik po sa tulong na rin po ng Philippine Sports Commission as their program. Babalik tayo muli rito sa next sa October 18 to 19. Nandito po yata kami uli, no? Para po sa PSC, NCFP selection para maging miyembro ng national team. And we want young players na makapasok. Gaya po ng Arca, pumasok na po yan, sila Quezon, sila maraming bago pumasok ngayon, 6 na bago. Pati yung babae, bago rin po yan. Kasi that is the objective na taon-taon meron tayong madiscover. At kung madiscover na sana, tuloy-tuloy po hanggang marating nila po yung kailang title na Grandmaster. Because sa Mindanao po, wala pong Grandmaster pa ang Mindanao. Lahat ang pinakamarami po ay Luzon. Ang sunod po ang Visaya. Sa Visaya, 2 Cebuano, 1 Ilonggo, Iloilo, 1 Taga Bacolod. Yan po yung ating distribution ng Grandmaster. Ang pinakamaraming Grandmaster coming from Region 5. Yung Bicol region. Then, na-distribute po yun sa Bulacan, sa Mandaluyong, sa Ilocos, naka-distribute po yan. So, hopefully, yung pag-host po, especially po itong lugar ng Uzamis or Misamis Occidental, will pave the way na tuloy-tuloy po ito sa loob ng maraming panahon. 3 to 5 years ang target po natin dito. Then, hindi po imposibleng magkaroon po tayo ng bagong Grandmaster coming from Mindanao. Panahon na po, kasi talagang magaling naman po ang Pilipino. But, kahit anong dami po ang tournament, pag wala pong programa na connected sa PIDE, hindi po marirecord yan. Napag-usapan po namin sa meeting, sa aming mga seminar, how many times you become champion in different tournaments, as long hindi po siya PIDE-rated, as long as hindi recognized ng PIDE, hindi po kayo magka-grandmaster. Tatanda lang po yung bata, mauubos po yung panahon, pag tumanda na, titigil na mag-chess yan. Kaya sa bata po kami nag-concentrate because yun po ang mga mainit na panahon na habang bata ay bigyan ng tuloy-tuloy na exposure, mapa-national at mapa-international. Kasi yun po yung paraan. Kaya po itong ating darating na November 2 to 10 ay sana po makasali kayo doon. Yung rating nyo makasama nang sa gayon po may chance kayong maging Grandmaster. Kasi po yung champion doon, magiging Grandmaster kagad. Direct. Usually matagal po kunin ng Grandmaster 3 beses. At ang babae din, yung WGM, yung third sa second ay International Master kagad. So, itong opportunity binibigay sa atin ngayon ng Misamis Occidental ay napakaganda. Sana ma-appreciate natin and supporting that this event, this coming event, para po yung chances na magkaroon kagad tayo ng bagong Grandmaster ay marating po natin o ma-attain po natin nang sa gayon po, lalo po dumami tayo. Nang pumunta pa ako sa Congress last Tuesday, ang pinakamaraming resolution na ginawa ng Congress ay yung chess. Kasi tayo ang pinakamaraming panalo sa lahat ng event po. Kaya po, dinrecognize ng PSC po yan. Magkita nyo yung PSC supporting chess. Kaya darating po tayo sa November 15 dito mismo. Meron po tayong selection ng grassroots, 5 to 7 years old, 8 to 10. Yung mananalo po doon, yung po ang tututukan ng PSC, tututukan po ng NCFP, para po alagaan yun ng 3 taon at yung po yung panlaban natin sa ibang bansa. Sila po ay magiging member ng national team. Ang tawag po sa mga batang yun is National Developmental Youth Chess Team ng Pilipinas. And hopefully, it will sustain for so many years kasi po matagal po ang pagiging Grandmaster. Hindi po pwede 3 tournament, 10 tournament. It will take you 3 to 5 years pero kailangan nasa 7 years old ka o 8 years old ang edad mo noon. Pagdating mo ng 5, isa pag 7 ka, plus 5, 12 years old. Kasi ang pinaka-youngest na Grandmaster is 11 years old and 11 months. Na nakausap ko lang ng isang buwan sa Zoom meeting. Ang pangalan niya is Karjakin, Grandmaster Sergey Karjakin. Siya ang isa sa pinakabata. Pero na-break na ngayon yun ng India. Mas babang edad, 11 years and 10 months. So, siya 11 years and 11 months. So, kung sasabihin nyo sa akin, 11 years old lang o 12 years old, hindi pwede mag-Grandmaster, pwede. Kasi ito, labanan to ng isip, hindi ito palakasan. So, kung ang bata ay matalino, naturuan ng maayos, then that is achievable, even at a young age. So, yun ang gusto po natin. If I remember, isa kami nagturo kay Wesley, so, if I remember, we have a training program for him. Maraming nagturo sa kanya. At ang pinaka-nagtuturo sa kanya si Grandmaster Bituon, then naging Grandmaster siya at the age of 14. So, kailangan po may target lang po tayo eh. At itong mga tournament na ganitong klaseng tournament, basta may rating requirements, may chance kayong mag-Grandmaster. Kasi hindi po nakasayang oras nyo. Kaya, gumawa po kayo ng programa gaya ng ginawa ng parents ko or papa ko na sinasalihan po namin noon, lagi, kung gagastos din naman, kahit di manalo, at least, meron kayong chess growth. Meron po kayong tinatarget na rating. Hindi next year, ang rating ko 21, next year 22. Ganun po ginawa ng ibang Grandmaster eh. Meron kami timetable para maabot nyo. Kasi pag tumanda po kayo, tatama rin na kayong maggawa ng programa para sa inyong chess career. Sa bata, simulan po lahat ng bagay. Kaya, makikita nyo po yung ating mga programa, malaki po ang bulk ng youth sector, saka women. Kasi po, iyan po ang may chance tayo. Ganun ginawa ng China, ganun ginawa ng India, kaya marami silang world champion na babae. Kapansin nyo, kung saan tayo malakas, doon tayo mag-concentrate. We are better sa ating bata. Pansinin nyo po, pagdating ng tournament sa mga age group, ang mga Pilipinong bata na nanalo. Pagtanda, talo na. Kasi hindi na sustain. Pag mga 8 years old, 10 years old, nananalo po tayo sa mga Asian tournament. Pagtanda noon, wala na. Kasi hindi po na sustain yun eh. Akala nila yung batang magaling, na-discover nila, hindi tuturuan kung saan gagaling. Kailangan po i-train yun ng masinsinan. Yung po ang kulang natin, yung proper training. Hindi basta walang plano ang pag-train. Kaya ito po kasama yung pagkalaro dito sa mga ganito ang pagpapagaling sa ating mga kabataan. So, wala po kaming sumasabi ngayon sa pag-host ng Ozamis, sa pamuno po ating Governor Henry at ang pagsuporta po ng Mayor ng Ozamis, talaga po hindi matawaran. Natanong ko po kahapon sa akin, ano ang naging parte ng probinsya. Sabi ko, this is the first time that we able to feel the support of LGU. Kasi matagal na kami pupunta sa ibang lugar, binibigay lang yung financial, but never yung assistance na binibigay ng mga personnel, yung talagang preparasyon. Kaya ako nandito po. Nandito ako sa preparasyon para na next month. Usually, pag kami nag-host ng international, hindi masyadong involved ang LGU. They're just going to give us the financial support, but not every preparation. Detalye po ang ginagawa ngayon. Kaya napakaganda po kasi ito po ay magiging president na rin sa darating ng mga tournament. But nonetheless, I will tell you, Philippines has a record. We hosted World Chess Championship in 1978. In 1991, we hosted the Women's World Championship dyan sa Manila. We hosted World Chess Olympiad in 1992. One of the best Olympiad in the history of Chess Olympiad. Hindi nakakalimutan ng mga tao yan. Napakaganda natin mag-host. And marami po tayong ginawang pag-hosting mga youth tournament sa Subic. Maganda rin po kayo ng naging evaluation. And we are warm people, generous people, hospitable people, Yung hospitality natin, walang katumbas kung tutusin. So that's why they want to be here because they know we are also a good organizer. And sana po yung ating gagawin ngayon ay yung kailang expectation ay ating maibigay din po. Kasi meron tayong history na magaling tayo mag-host at kumbaga wala silang masabi sa kanyang pag-uwi. There are confirmation already na may nasali ng from Indonesia, from Malaysia, from Singapore, ano ba yung nakausap ko pa? There are already at least 6 to 7 countries, but the deadline will be in October 15. And hopefully, we will know, and we will going to make a lot of announcement and promotion about this tournament because napakalaki nito because there are at least 23 countries participating and yung ating opportunity, hindi kailangan magpadala tayo ng marami sa mga bansa, makatipid pa tayo dito. Yung opportunity ng ating mga kapwa Pilipino, mga kabataan natin, na makuha yung titulo, kung hindi man yung title na mas baba, kung hindi man yung rating at experience na hindi matawaran. And from there, we're going to inspire, motivate yung ating mga, lalo ang taga Mindanao. Taga Mindanao, makikita nila. At tinatanong ko kay Sir Ray, anong layo ng General Santos dito, anong layo ng Cagayan dito. Napakalapit po ng mga daan. Oras lang, bailan. So, isa sa pinakamagandang location to. So, I mean, we expecting really chess, masabi natin, na talagang suportado ni Governor Henry yung ating chess ngayon as they discussed with the President of NCFP, Pong Pichay, na they have a greater and bigger plans for this province. And hopefully, you support us kasi tatlo po ang kailangan natin sa isang successful na tournament. Yung organizer, yung host, at yung player. Without those things, hindi po magiging successful at yung ating mission na minimiti ay kakapusin. With your support and with this kind of program, looking forward, because people without vision will perish. Kaya kung ang vision natin ay maganda, we will never fail. Kaya yung vision natin ngayon sa pagsali at pagpaprogram sa mga laro nyo, isama nyo po yan, then certainly we will succeed and we will be into greatness. Maraming salamat.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, Grandmaster Jason Gonzalez. Thank you so much, Grandmaster, for that powerful message of encouragement. With your leadership, the NCFP continues to bring opportunities for both aspiring and seasoned players. At this juncture, representing on behalf of our esteemed Governor, to give his inspirational message, it is our pleasure to introduce the CN Plus Tournament Chairman, Mr. Stephen Shansarial. A hand, please.
Maraming tanan. In behalf of our hardworking Governor, allow me to convey to you his message. He's now attending also equally important activity that needs his immediate attention. That's why he's sending me as his representative. But nevertheless, our working governor wants to express his strong support, wholehearted support to this game. No, in fact, if you notice, daghan kayong chess tournament night na po din sa Misok recently. That's because of the support of the our hardworking governor. And we also know that there are participants here coming from other provinces, and with that, he also wants you to know that the Asenso leadership led by our working governor is also making some programs, to help the Misamis-non live a very comfortable life. Isa sa mga proyekto sa itong kasamtangang provincial leadership is the RFAP, for the information to the non-Misamis-nons. This is the Asenso Rice Farmers Assistance Program, wherein ang mga rice farmers gitagaan ng assistance from land preparation until paggaling sa ilang mga rice, wala sila gasto. No? So para muda ko lang income every harvest period. So mga usa ka na sa programa. Ikaduha, sa natal sa turismo, ipangusgan po karon ang pag-develop sa atong Maldives of Mindanao na nakakaroon ongoing ang construction sa Sinakaban, wherein ay dako nga pool ang mga villas na murag Maldives ang iyang kanindot. Hopefully ma-open sa soon. So it's one of the tourist attractions in Misamis Occidental also. Then another sa health na po nga aspect, ang atong liderato sa Misamis Occidental, nagpunta po karoon ng Asenso Misamis Occidental Medical Center sa Orqueta City, ongoing na ang construction. More than 50% ng completion at it's a 500 bed capacity, no? And with state-of-the-art equipments. So kato mga nakinahanglan ng mga health intervention, pwede na diyan mga dito kung mag-operate na kini. Then another, sa ngalan sa edukasyon, ang atong leadership, pa-implementar po daw one family, one professional program. Tumong niya ini nga, kada pamilya adunay mahimong professional aron mo improve po nilang livelihood. Nay members sa family nga mahimo na tayo breadwinner na makapusuporta, then down the line ang panapon na suportahan nato ng tibok pamilya sa Misamis nun mo improve na gyud ang panginabuhi ang kahimtang mo kana mo sa atong hardworking governor. Then last year, ang probinsya sa Misamis Occidental ay mo na pong first class province. For a long time, stagnant kini sa second class province, pero last year, nahimo kini first class province. O nakakana mga economic benefits nga naka-atas nga na. In the name of sa field of sports, naka-host ang probinsya, wala magkulang sa suporta, gani hugot kayo magsuporta sa sports program. Last year, nag-host kita sa Namaraa. Then, this year, nag-host kita sa Namaraa. Then, this end of October, mag-host na po kita sa Association of Tertiary Schools na Games, involving 10,000 athletes dito sa Orqueta, probably spread ang venue sa mga games. Mabot pa Misamis. And ang venue galing sa chess is Dirigapon for that game. Then, on the first week of November, one of the major activities sa pag-celebrate sa probinsya sa anniversary ni mao ang katong naingon ng kanina nga ASEAN Plus Invitational Chess Championship 2025 nung hugot kang suportahan ni Governor. Then, with this game karon, ang ilang ipabot na inaot na itong mga players, magtinamanong sa ilang kahibalo ni chess nga dula. Kaya kining chess, kung successful mo nga dula, it will be the stepping stone sa inyong pagka-successful pohon kay kining game of chess is para na yung game of survival. You have to survive. You have to defeat the challenges para mamudaog mo. In relation sa atong kinabuhi, mara po na siya. You have to defeat the challenges nga maagiani mo. Aron mag-successful mo sa kinabuhi. You have to defeat. Once you defeat the challenges, you will gain kingdom. You will gain mapindi murag ang kanang inyong challenges murag ng king. Pag mamati ninyo inyong challenges, maka-advance mo to another level. So, be always a better version of yourself. Do not compare yourself to others. Okay? There's always a better person than you. But be a better person of yourself every day. Kana lang. Improve yourself, improve your skills in chess. Do not stop practicing, do not stop learning. Because in learning, there's always success. So, mura na itong gusto ipaabot sa itong governor o may buntag ka na itong tanan.